In this video, I'm going to show you how to save an image to your computer to use in a presentation, a video, or anything else you may need it for. We will start from the Start screen in Windows 8, and we will click on the Google Chrome tile. From here, you may see something different in this area, but we don't need to use that anyway, so we're going to go up to the address bar, this white bar up here. We'll click on the address bar one time. You may need to select all the text and delete that before you begin typing. And we're going to type in search.creativecommons.org. And if you remember, at the end of typing a web address, we're going to press enter, and it will take us to the website. Next, we will click in the search box to enter what we want to search for. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to search for lion. Now I want to select which search engine I want to use, or which website. And you can see that many of them have the word image underneath of them. There's Google Images, Wikimedia Commons, Flickr, Photopedia, Open Clip Art Library, and Pixabay. Open Clip Art Library has images that are slightly different than the rest. If I left click on it, it'll take me there, and you can see that these are illustrations drawn on the computer. This is called clip art. They're not actual photographs. I don't want one of those, so I'm going to click the back button to go back to my search engine. And I'm going to recommend you use Google Images. So I'm going to click on this. And here you can see the many images for lion. As I mouse over or move the mouse over top of one of the pictures, you can see that it tells you what website they're from. This is from commonswikimedia.org. Most of these here are. This one is from Flickr. I'm going to recommend that you find one from the Wikimedia, and you'll see why in a second. So I'm going to choose this one because I want to talk about what lions eat. So I'm going to click on that, and it'll open a larger preview of the picture. Next, I want to click on Visit Page. Now it takes me to Wikimedia. Here is where I want to save the image. If I scroll down a little bit, it gives me the size of the images. And it tells me 320 by 213. That is a pretty small picture. We want to pick one that is usually above 600. So you can see here this one is 640 by 427. That means it's 640 pixels wide and 427 tall. And you can see that it is wider than it is tall. And I'm going to pick that one. I'm not going to left click though. I want to right click. And then I'm going to pick Save Link As. I will click that. And now I need to tell it where to save it. And you can see here that I already have some saved, but you won't have that. We need to tell it where to save it. So we're going to click on this left side here. You want to look for Documents. You'll click Documents one time, and then you should see your grade level folders along with some other folders. We're going to save these to your Pictures folder. So we're going to click My Pictures, double click it. And then when it opens up, we're in the right place, and then we're going to click Save. And you can see the image is now saved. Now that we've saved the image, we want to tell people where it came from. We don't want to claim the image as our own, just like we don't claim writing as our own because it's plagiarism. So we need to tell people who created the image and where we got it. This is why I like the Wikipedia, because oftentimes it tells you exactly how to do that. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom, or scroll down, not all the way to the bottom. And I'm looking for this here. It says permission. And it tells us here the photo was taken by a Luca G. And here's how he wants us to give him credit, or to let people know that he took the picture. So to do that, I'm going to select this text here. And you want to make sure when you select the text you don't have the hand, because remember the hand, that lets you click on this link. And we don't want to click on the link. So we want to look for the I-beam. I'm going to click the button and hold it down and drag it across that text. And remember the shortcut to copy is Control+C. So now that text is copied, but I need somewhere to paste it. So I'm going to go to the Start screen by pressing the Windows key on my keyboard. I'm going to click on Word 2013. And when that opens, we're going to click Blank Document. And now I can paste that photo, or paste that text, sorry, by pressing Control+V. And there we have it. And then I can press space, and I want to copy the name of the picture. That way people know which picture this is for. So I'll go back by clicking on the Google Chrome on the taskbar, scroll back up, and here we can see the name of the picture. I don't need the file. I'm just going to select this part here and press Control+C again. Go back to the Microsoft Word by clicking on the taskbar and press Control+V. And there it's pasted. Now we may want to make it so it's all the same. So I'm going to select all of this. We're going to make it all this Calibri and just size 12. And we don't want to underline it. It's on the heading, so we're going to just click normal. Now it's all the same. And you can see that it actually kept the link for us when we copied it earlier, so we don't have to add that in, which is very helpful. We're going to close this. Alright, now we need to save this. We're going to save this to our grade level folder. So I'm going to click File, Save As. We go to Computer, and then Documents. And then if this is 4th grade, I'll go to my 4th grade folder, and we'll call it Presentation Credits. Or maybe I'll add Photo Credits. Now if this wasn't a presentation, you could change that to video or change it to the specific name of your project, maybe Lion Photo Credits, something like that. And then I'll click Save. And then I have these ready to go for at the end of my presentation, or maybe my teacher just wants a list of the credits. I can print that out and give that to my teacher. If I wanted to find more photos then, I would go back to my Google Chrome, click back again, and maybe I want to find a lion cub. So I'll add cub to the end of it, not vub, cub. And then click Google Images. And there you can see we have lion cubs. Now here's where I'll know that it's from the Wikimedia. You'll see some of them, like this one would be Flickr. There's another one from Flickr. So if you want to find some that have the easy credits, so you can add the credits part easily, you'd click on the ones that have the Wikimedia. And then remember to click Visit Page. Another nice feature about some of the photos with Wikimedia is they give you the link or the text to copy already for your credits. So if we want to download by left clicking, you can see here it gives us the page address or the address for just the picture. And right here is the attribution. So that would let us tell people where the picture came from. And we could just copy all of this and then paste it into our Word file. So I'm going to click here, and it selects it all just by clicking once. So I'll press Control+C to copy it, and then go to my Word document. I'm going to press Enter a couple times, and then press Control+V. And now we have the text there that we need. And then I can go back to the Google Chrome, and I would save the picture. In this case, they don't have one that's over 600, so I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to right-click it, Go to Save Link As. And then you can see I'm already in my pictures. I already have that picture there. You don't want to click on it because that'll change this name, and we don't want to do that. So we're just going to click Save. And now we have that saved as well.